Hi, dear learners. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is your Aziz sir. Welcome everybody to my new class. You know, the pronoun was going on. Today, I would like to tell you about another topic that is about reflexive pronoun. Let's see what is reflexive pronoun. Okay. So that I have write down many things on the board. First of all, so reflexive pronoun. Okay, what is reflexive pronoun? The pronoun which acts on or acts on itself, then it is called reflexive pronoun. Okay. See that formation of reflexive pronoun I have written down here. First of all, nominative case, objective case, possessive case, and reflexive pronoun. How reflexive pronoun comes? At first, see that pronoun. What are personal pronouns? See that I have written down. First of all, I, we, first person, and their personal pronoun, and then second person, you and you, tumi, tomora, and third person. He, she, it, one, they are third person. Okay. Actually, from personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun comes. How? So that nominative case is I, and its objective case is me, and its possessive case is mine, and then reflexive pronoun is myself. Okay. From this reflexive pronoun, how it can be formed. First of all, let's see formation of reflexive pronoun. First of all, see that in first person, possessive case, mine is possessive case. How? I, me, and mine. Mine is possessive case. Mine possessive case plus self. Possessive case plus self. Mine plus self. Myself. And then see that and it is singular, and it has plurals, plural number. Which one? Possessive case plus selves, but in singular self. But when you will think of it plural, then it will be formed possessive case plus selves. So that when you will think about I, then mine will come. When we will think about we, then our will come. When mine will come, then my plus self will be myself. When our will become, then selves will come. Then both of the term will make ourselves. Okay, ourselves. That means it is plural. In this way, in second person, see that you means alone. You, alone, single person. But when you will think about plural, that is not alone, that is more than one person, it will mean, then it will be you. Although both of the term, both of the word is same, but this word, one word may mean singular and may mean plural. Okay? So that when it will be singular, you, that is possessive case, you, and then self, yourself. When it will be plural, so that you plus selves, yourselves. That means I have written down Bengali meaning also, so that when it was first person, ami nije, and plural, amra nije. When it will be second person, see that Bengali meaning is also written on the board, say that tumi nije in singular, but when it will be plural, then tumra or apnara nijera. Okay, in the same way, third person, the third person, him comes from him plus self, himself, and then her plus self, herself, it plus self, itself, and one plus self, oneself, and then plural, them plus selves, themselves. And Bengali meaning is she, tini, or iha nije. When it will be plural, then it will mean that tara nije. Okay. So that in this way we can know the formation of reflexive pronoun, how reflexive pronoun can be formed side by side, how they can disclose the meaning, Bengali meaning. I have written down. I think the things which I have already written down, and they are clear. Okay, I'm coming, just 5 seconds. Okay, thank you. Let's see the next chart which I have already written down for you. See that now uses of reflexive pronoun. What are the uses of reflexive pronoun? Reflexive pronoun can be used as object of preposition, complement of subject, and reflexive object. How they can be used now I am telling you. Please follow me, okay? There are some words, verbs after which they can be used, and they are avail, absent, address, pride, exert, and kill. Okay? And see that object of preposition, how they can be used. See that he took care of himself. Here, of is preposition here, and after of himself is used. That's why it is used as object of preposition. Object of preposition, here see that he took care of himself. So after of, that is preposition, himself is used. That's why we can tell that it is used here as object of preposition. In the same way, see that tell me about yourself. Tell me about yourself. Okay, yourself is used here after about a preposition, you know. So after about, yourself is used. That's why yourself is used here, object of preposition. In the same way, complement of subject. See that complement of subject here, the chairman announced the news himself. I am telling about that is himself. This himself. Okay. Here the word is used as complement of subject. Okay, how it can be used as complement of subject? Chairman is the subject here. Chairman announced the news himself. Himself means the chairman. That's why it is used as complement. That means chairman means himself. Himself means chairman. That's why complement of subject is himself here. Okay. In the same way, reflexive object. How reflexive object can be used here? See that he killed himself. So I have at first told you which one is reflexive pronoun. The pronoun which acts on itself. See that himself means he means himself. Himself acts on he. That's why it is said that reflexive pronoun acts upon itself. That's why I have told you. He killed himself means it is reflexive object here. Okay. And whenever you go to change it into passive voice, then you can't take the help of reflexive object as a subject. You can never take the object that is reflexive object himself as subject. That's why subject will remain unchanged and object will also remain unchanged. So there are some other words, other verbs after which this reflexive pronoun can never be used. See that approach, bring, complete, concentrate, feel, keep, relax, remember, rest, stand, take, wonder, worry. Those are the words, those are the verbs after which reflexive pronoun can never be used. So you will try your level best to remember the words which I have written down on the board, so that you can use them when you will go to write them, or you will read them. Then you will try your level best to remember. Side by side, you will try your level best to spread them in your memory, so that you can use. Okay, that's all from me. Later on we will talk a lot. Thank you very much.